I'm going to change a water pump on a 2005 CTS with a 3.6. This is the new pump out of the box. This box is in the way. It comes off by taking two clamps off that use a flathead or a 5/16 inch socket. The pump is just behind this pulley. The belt needs to come off first. It can be loosened by using a 1/2 inch drive in the tensioner. Now the pulley can be removed by removing the 4 10mm bolts. Then the pump can come off by removing 6 10mm bolts. The old gasket and water pump still looks decent actually. Put the new pump on and put everything back together in reverse order. Use 6 10mm bolts for the pump, 4 10mm bolts for the pulley. Use a 1/2 inch drive for the tensioner to get the belt back on. Tighten the two hose clamps with a 5/16 inch socket. Done.